For exercise 4, I have already copied and pasted the code, the starter code, into my file. And basically what you need are two methods. You're going to create two methods, and they're both going to be called convert temp. The difference between the methods is that one is going to be receiving an integer number and the other one is going to be receiving a double number, which makes them overloaded. So when you overload a method, it's basically the same method name. You are passing it variables that are different data types. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the method. And then I'm going to copy that. And then we'll do a little tweaking here. So this one is the integer one. And I'm going to change the name to number to convert. And this is going to be my double. All right. So I've got the two methods. Obviously, I don't want it to throw an exception. So we'll get rid of that code. And then what I need to do in each of them is determine if I am going to be converting to Fahrenheit or Celsius. And I also need to declare the converted value that I am going to be creating and printing. So here, my converted value is going to be an integer. Down here, it's going to be double. And then I've got my if statement. So I'm actually helping you out with this. So if they chose the F, that means they have Fahrenheit and they want to convert it to Celsius. And so we're going to do our little formula. And I had to change this because it was not working properly earlier. But this one does work. And so once I've got that converted value, I am going to print out the original number. And I'm using string interpolation here, which allows me to put the variable in curly brackets and it will print out the value for me. Let's see. Actually, this was type is F. Why is it not liking that? Oh, single quotes. There we go. So we have the type that they want to convert to is Fahrenheit. Okay. So they want to convert to Fahrenheit. And then we're going to do degrees Celsius. I think I misspoke earlier. We're converting to Fahrenheit. And this is the value it was converted to. Okay, so that writes that one out. And then we have to do the other one. So for this one, we are converting to Celsius. And basically, if they didn't type an F, that's what it's going to do. Let's see. For this formula, we've got the number to convert. minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. All right. And then do our little count, right line, and I'm going to copy this. Because basically I just need to move the Celsius here and move the Fahrenheit here. All right, that should be done. Now, what I would suggest is testing this. And even though we don't have the double one done, you certainly can run the program. What temperature are you converting to? So we have completed the whole number one. Okay, so we can convert to Celsius or Fahrenheit. And so we need a whole number here. Let's see, let's try 85. Converted down to Celsius is 29. And I believe it's like 29.9, but we did choose whole number. And so are we going to convert to? Let's try Fahrenheit. Enter a whole number or a real number. Let's do whole. Enter the temperature. We'll do 29. And again, because of rounding, because we chose whole number, it's 84 instead of 85, but I believe the temp would have had to be like 29.5 or something for it to get up to 85. So that is working. I mean, we could do it again. Let's see. Convert to Fahrenheit, whole number. Let's try 30. 86. So yeah, it would have been 29.5, which we can't enter because we're doing whole numbers. So that is working. And all we really need to do then is copy this and paste it down here. And it's going to be pretty much the same. So let's go ahead and run this again. And we've already tested the whole number, so let's test the real number. Enter the temp. So let's do an 85. Yeah, so it's like 20, it's going to be 29.5. What are you converting to? Let's do the opposite. We'll do Fahrenheit. And we're doing the real number, 29.5, 85. Okay, so that is working. All righty. So that is pretty much what you need for this program.